Forget what you thought you knew about making money. The ground is shifting beneath our feet, and the force driving this earthquake is artificial intelligence. AI isn't just some far-off futuristic concept anymore. It's not just about robots in sci-fi movies. It's here, right now, and it's fundamentally rewriting the rules of wealth creation. It's quietly creating a new class of digital entrepreneurs, and it's changing people's wallets in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. And the best part? You don't need a degree in computer science or a venture capital investment to get in on the action. In fact, right now, there are powerful yet surprisingly simple AI tools that anyone, and I mean, can use to start generating real income online. These aren't just toys, they are sophisticated engines for business. And in this video, I've done the hard work for you. I've sifted through the hundreds of options to bring you the absolute best, most effective AI money-making tools for 2025. But I'm not just going to give you a list. Anyone can do that. I want you to stick with me to the very end, because that's where I'll reveal the secret that the top 1% of AI earners are using, the AI stacking strategy. It's a powerful method for combining these individual tools into an automated system that creates multiple, compounding income streams. It's how you can turn a small side hustle into a full-fledged digital empire, even if you're starting today with absolutely zero experience or capital. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Here we go again, another get-rich-quick video. And you're right to be skeptical. The internet is a minefield. It's saturated with noise, fake gurus in front of rented Lambos, promising you millions overnight with their secret system that's really just a rehashed ebook from 2010. We've all seen the flashy ads and the overhyped claims that lead to dead ends and empty pockets. This is different. This isn't about hype, it's about technology. This is about a fundamental shift in what's possible. And here's the truth that the gurus don't want you to know. With the right AI tools, the old rules no longer apply. You don't need to be a marketing genius, because AI can analyze the market for you. You don't need thousands of dollars for startup costs, because many of these tools are free or incredibly affordable. And you definitely don't need to waste years on trial and error, because AI can accelerate your learning curve exponentially. Think of these tools as your tireless digital assistants, working 24/7. They do the heavy lifting, the tedious, time-consuming tasks that used to be major roadblocks. They can write compelling sales copy, design stunning visuals, generate code, and even create entire video scripts from a single prompt. They handle the how, so you can focus on the what. So, let me pull back the curtain and show you exactly how ordinary people are leveraging these 7 game-changing AI tools to build real, sustainable online businesses. The countdown begins now. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about content creation with tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI. These aren't just helpful writing assistants. They are absolute game changers that can form the foundation of a profitable business. Think about it. Every business needs written content. From blog posts that drive traffic, to persuasive product descriptions that sell, to entire ebooks that establish authority. These AIs can produce high-quality drafts in a fraction of the time it would take a human, effectively eliminating writer's block and skyrocketing productivity. The key to success here isn't just copy-pasting the output. It's about smart prompt engineering, learning how to ask the AI for exactly what you need, and then applying your human touch to edit, refine, and personalize the content to match a client's unique brand voice. While ChatGPT is a phenomenal all-rounder, tools like Jasper are specifically trained on marketing and conversion copy, making them incredibly powerful for writing ads, emails, and sales pages that get results. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, skilled AI-assisted writers are in high demand. You'll see gigs where clients are happily paying anywhere from $50 for a simple article to over $200 for a more in-depth piece. Imagine securing just 3 or 4 of these gigs a week. That's a significant side income stream built on a skill you can develop in your spare time. By positioning yourself as an expert who leverages AI for speed and quality, you can build a roster of clients who need a reliable flow of content, turning this into a consistent and scalable freelance business. Second on our list is the visually stunning world of AI art, dominated by tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo.ai. These platforms can translate your wildest text-based ideas into professional quality artwork in mere seconds. The applications are virtually limitless. We're seeing people create and sell everything from custom YouTube thumbnails and social media graphics to entire collections of digital art on marketplaces like Etsy. The real magic, however, lies in combining this with print-on-demand services. You can design a unique t-shirt graphic, a beautiful poster, or a set of custom stickers, upload the design to a service like Printify, and connect it to your Etsy shop. I've seen single AI-generated prints selling for $20 or more. Once that digital file is created and listed, you can sell it over and over again without any additional work. Every sale is a notification on your phone while you're doing something else. That's the definition of passive income. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, but the ceiling for creativity and profit is incredibly high. Your success is limited only by your imagination and your ability to craft compelling visual concepts through your prompts. Third, let's look at automated video creation with platforms like InVideo and Pictory. These tools are revolutionary for content creators, especially those who want to tap into the power of YouTube without ever showing their face. You can take a simple text script, or even just the URL of a blog post, and the AI will analyze it, find relevant stock video clips and images, add animated captions, and even generate a synthetic voiceover. People are building entire media empires with faceless YouTube channels in niches like history, psychology, or finance. They produce compelling documentary-style videos and earn substantial income from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, all while remaining completely anonymous. The key is a great script. The AI handles the heavy lifting of production. Fourth on our list is a more niche but highly profitable area: selling AI-powered Notion templates. For those unfamiliar, Notion is a powerful all-in-one productivity app. With the introduction of Notion AI, templates are no longer just static documents. Creators are building and selling incredibly smart systems, like budgeting planners that auto-categorize expenses, business trackers that summarize weekly progress, or study systems that create flashcards from notes. A well-designed template priced at just $10 or $20 on a marketplace like Gumroad could sell hundreds or even thousands of times, generating a fantastic passive income stream from a one-time effort. Fifth, for the aspiring video editors, is Runway AI. This tool is like having a Hollywood visual effects studio in your browser. It goes far beyond simple cutting and trimming. Features like Gen 2 can create video clips from text alone, while other tools can remove any object from a video or change the background instantly without a green screen. For freelancers, this is a superpower. Tedious tasks that used to take hours are now done in minutes. This means you can offer services like social media video editing for $50 to $200 per video, but complete the work at lightning speed, allowing you to take on far more clients and dramatically increase your hourly rate. And finally, let's talk about instant website creation with tools like Durable AI. There are millions of small local businesses with terrible, outdated websites, or no website at all. Freelance web designers typically charge $300 to $1,000 or more for a basic site. With Durable, you can answer a few questions about a business, and it will generate a stunning, fully functional website with copy, images, and a contact form in about 30 seconds. The business model here is simple. Find a local business, generate a demo site for them for free, and then offer them an affordable package to customize and manage it. Even landing just one new client a week could easily add an extra 4 figures to your monthly income. Now, here's the secret sauce, the strategy that separates the dabblers from the earners. The real money isn't just in using one AI tool for one task. That's the low-hanging fruit. The real wealth is built by becoming a conductor, orchestrating multiple AIs into a seamless content creation engine. Think of it as a content flywheel. You start with one core idea and use AI to spin it into a dozen different assets. For example, you use ChatGPT or Jasper to write a detailed blog post. Then, you take that text and feed it to an image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo.ai to create stunning custom visuals for it. But you don't stop there. You then take the original article and use a tool like InVideo or Runway to transform it into a compelling YouTube video, complete with an AI-generated voiceover and stock footage. And that's where the magic of income stacking happens. That single idea has now branched into multiple revenue streams. The blog post generates income through display ads and affiliate commissions. The unique images you created can be sold as digital downloads on Etsy or as stock photography on Adobe Stock. And the YouTube video? That's earning you money from AdSense revenue. And it's building an audience you can monetize later through sponsorships or your own products. You've taken one effort and multiplied its financial output by 3, 4, or even 5 times. This is how smart creators are building resilient, automated digital empires, not just side hustles. They create digital assets that work for them 24/7. AI is only going to get smarter, and the barrier to entry will get lower. Soon, anyone will be able to generate a decent article or image with a single click. But the people who will stay ahead forever, the ones building real, lasting wealth, are those who learn the behind the tools. Learning this today is like getting a decade-long head start on your competition. Every workflow you master, every piece of content you create, is an investment that compounds over time. Don't just sit back and watch AI change the world. Be an active architect of how it changes your income. If this opened your eyes to AI's true money-making potential, do me a quick favor and smash that like button so more people can see this. More importantly, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first content flywheel you're going to build with AI? I read every single comment and I want to see what you're planning. And finally, if you're serious about this, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because my upcoming videos are deep dive tutorials on these exact strategies, showing you step-by-step how to build your own AI-powered income streams. The opportunity is right here, right now, but it favors action takers. Don't get paralyzed by choice. Just pick one tool, one strategy we talked about today, and commit to starting. The momentum from that one small step is everything. Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. I'll see you in the next video, where I'm pulling back the curtain on my own results, showing you my exact prompts, the mistakes I made, and the final revenue numbers from using these exact strategies. You don't want to miss it.